Today we're going to be knitting a bookmark with an I-cord edge. So this is a follow-on from my previous video, and this time we're going to have a nice, neat, decorative I-cord edge on the bookmark. You're going to begin with a slip knot, and then you're going to cast on 9 stitches. I'm just using the simple beginner's cast on method. I did a video for this previously. Please check this out if you're unsure of how to cast on. Once you've got your 9 stitches cast on, we can begin knitting and setting up our I-cord edge. We follow a pattern where we knit 6 stitches in a plain knit stitch, then when you've knit your 6th stitch, you're going to bring your yarn from behind to the front of your needles and then slip the last 3 stitches purlwise onto your working needle. And the next row is exactly the same. We're going to knit 6 stitches in a plain knit stitch. If you're not familiar with a plain knit, please see my previous videos on how to do the plain knit stitch. When you've got your 6th stitch knit, you're going to bring your yarn between your needles to the front and pass 3 stitches purlwise. And that's all there is to it. You're going to repeat this for 76 rows or until the desired length is reached. I did about 76 rows for the size of an average book, but you can do as many rows as you want depending on how long you want to make your bookmark. And as it grows, you'll start to see this nice I-cord edge developing at the side. When you've completed all 76 rows, you'll have your bookmark ready to cast off. Cast off all your stitches. I do this by simply knitting 2 stitches, then lifting the first stitch over the 2nd stitch on my right hand needle. Please see previous videos I have explaining this cast off in more detail if you're not familiar. And simply trim your yarn and take the end tail and pass it through that last stitch that was on your needle. Now you've got your finished bookmark. You just want to tidy it up. So get a needle and tidy away all the tails. Once you've tidied them away into your bookmark, then trim off any loose ends. And then you've got your finished bookmark with your beautiful I-cord edge.